The Orion Motor Tech Tailgate Assist Shock is a must-have accessory for your Ford F150 series pickup truck for years 2015 and newer. Be sure to confirm compatibility with your particular make, model, and year before purchasing. This kit comes with everything you need to install. One tailgate assist shock, that's right, only one is required. 2 brackets, 1 right angle Torx head tool, and 1 replacement bolt to allow for clearance. Repeated opening and closing of your truck's tailgate can, over time, wear on your vehicle. The tailgate assist shock not only reduces impacts from the repeated slamming open of your tailgate, but the shock also aids with easy closing as well. Installation of the shock couldn't be easier, especially with the clear and full color instructions that are provided. Firstly, open your tailgate. Second, on the driver's side, remove the top tailgate cable from the mount. Next, with the provided tool, remove the mount. Fourth, install the appropriate bracket for your application. Again, refer to the installation guide to confirm. Now we'll turn our attention to the hinge bracket. Remove the lower screw completely. Install the bottom bracket and reinstall the screw loosely. Next, remove the second screw here. Adjust the shock mount to align with the second hole, like this. Then reinstall the screw. Tighten the second screw down completely. Be sure to replace the first screw with the provided screw in the kit. This lower profile screw ensures you won't have any clearance issues after installation. Next, be sure all the bolts are securely tightened. The shock mount and tailgate cable simply pop on as you see here. Now the first question is, of course, how well does it work? Well, see for yourself. The Orion Motor Tech Tailgate Assist Shock, an affordable and easy DIY addition for your truck.